gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love I love goddamn, I love
What up, loves? It's your girl Bambee, and I'm coming at y'all with another Decades makeup look. If you can't tell, I am doing a mod 1960s look. Typically, like most people associate it with Twiggy, but you can also associate this look with like Diana Ross and the Supremes. That's who I personally look towards with this look the most. It's like Diana Ross and of course Twiggy, because who doesn't know Twiggy? But I am really feeling this look. I've been wanting to do a 1960s look again on my channel. I have one from years and years ago, but I'm just like, we do better now, so we can do this look, and I love it. I love it. I think it looks so pretty with my 1960s dress that I have on. Love this dress. I wore it before. It's on my Instagram, but I wanted to wear it again. So yeah. What else I wanted to say? So far I have a playlist for the Decades makeup. So I have 1950s, now it's gonna be 1960s, I have 1970s, I have 90s, and early 2000s. So 1920s, 1930s, 1940s, and the 80s. So maybe I'll do one of those decades next, but y'all know I love the 90s, and I love like the early 2000s, and I'll probably do another 60s look. I don't know. I just go off my vibe and what I'm feeling, because it might not even be another decades look. It might be something else, because I also been shopping my collection. So I've been playing around with like products that I haven't messed with in months and years and stuff. So I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all want to see. Y'all want another decades look, or y'all want me to just, have fun, like do whatever, because I like doing the makeup tutorials. I hope it like teaches you something. If you love vintage beauty like I do, I hope you are enjoying the decades makeup series on my channel. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, let's get into the tutorial, babes. All right, love y'all.
Alright, so let's get started. I'm using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in number 5, and that's what the shade looks like. Now I'm just shaping out my brows. I always start from the bottom, and then I go to the top. And then I fill it in. I really like this brow powder. I haven't used it in a while, and since I'm doing a 1960s look, I figured, because Benefit gives me a little bit of a vintage vibe. Right now, I'm just cleaning up my brows and blending it out with my concealer. Now I'm taking this brown lip liner from the Crayon case. I'm just using it to mark the line that you see in a lot of modded looks, like that cut crease look. Now I'm going into the Balm palette. I believe it's called Opposites Attract, and I'm going over that line and blending. Now I'm using this NYX eyeshadow palette. I'm just using the two greens in the palette, like I mixed them together, and I'm putting it all over my lid. Now I'm going back into that palette and using that shade for my brow bone. Now I'm about to outline my eyelids with my pinup liner from my cosmetics line. On to priming my face. I like to mix these two together. Now I'm using this Morphe Undereye Corrector. I do like using this all on my face as well. It's a really good concealer, and I'm just going to blend it out. Y'all know the drill. I love my Maybelline, okay? These two shades I'll be mixing, and I love it because I'm like in between shades. So that's why I'm mixing right now, and I just feel like it gives me the perfect match. Now I'm going to mix these two concealers together, and I'm going to just blend it out. I really like my concealers to have good coverage, and alone these concealers give me that, but I like how the shades blend together. If you've seen my other tutorials, y'all done seen this powder. I love this powder to set everywhere that I put my concealer. Now I'm just setting my face with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC45. Then taking my Anastasia contour kit and just bronzing my face. Not necessarily contouring, because contouring wasn't really a thing in the 1960s. And I am going to contour my nose just a little bit, very, very lightly. This is Benefit's California blush, and it's so pretty. I haven't used it in a while. I guess I forgot to record myself putting on my blush, but here is me putting on my highlighter. Now I'm putting white liner in my waterline because that was a big thing in the 1960s, especially for mod looks. And now I'm just taking that brown that I used in my crease on my lower lash line. As you can see, I am drawing on my lashes for that dramatic mod look that you would have seen like on Twiggy and Diana Ross during the 1960s. On to lips. I am lining my lips, even though lip liner wasn't really a thing in the 1960s, but I'm using one that is not very dark. Now I'm taking this lipstick in Sun Kiss from MAC. I don't know if it's still available. I almost forgot about my lashes. These are from my cosmetics line. These in the style Diahann. And this lip gloss is also from my cosmetics line. This is Southern Belle. And here is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Love y'all.